guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm already on trading view, and let's get started with the analysis strategy. And I'll need two simple indicators, even though this strategy is straightforward and easy to use. So this strategy shows excellent trading result with a high success rate, especially on the 15-minute time frame. And let me explain, guys. First, let's choose our indicators. You can see them on your screen right now. And we'll start with the first one. To make it work correctly, we need to adjust some settings, and let's go to the style tab and remove the background color, and then in the inputs tab set the look back period to 35, and next we'll select the second indicator, which will be an. To make it easy to use, I'll change the color of the line and make it a bit thicker. In the inputs tab, set the period to 50. This is what your chart should look like. Now let me explain how to open your long and short positions. Let's start with opening a short position. When you see a red triangle, that's your signal to open a short position. Once the next candle appears, set up your trade. Try to place your stop loss at the previous structural high. This strategy works best with a 1:1 or 1:2 risk-reward ratio. I usually go for a 1:2. A crucial point to make sure that your signal is below the moving average before opening a short position. And now let's talk about opening a long positions. So the same principle apply here. A proper signal will follow a similar pattern. For example, when a blue triangle appears, that's your signal to open a long position, and set your stop loss at the previous structural low, and you can confidently open your long trade. As you can see, the signal worked well, and we could have opened a 1 to 3. Another important point: when opening a long position, the blue triangle must be above the exponential moving average. That's it for the simple but highly effective trading strategy. I've demonstrated it using the Bitcoin to dollar chart. But today I'll be trading on Forex, opening trades with currency pairs. And let's start with the analysis and pick the first pairs. Alright, a signal to open a long position has appeared, and all the conditions for entering the trade are met. Let's set our stop loss and take profit. I'll be going with a 1 to 2, and let's see, guys. As you can see, our first long position closed successfully with a profit of $200 added to my bank account, and the signal worked perfectly. Let's continue the trading session. Now the EUR/USD pair, a signal for a short position has appeared, and I've already set my stop loss and take profit. I'll be opening this trade with a 1 to 2 ratio as well, and let's see if this short position works out. As you can see, the short position closed quickly with another $200 added to my bank account, and the signal was quite strong, and I'm very satisfied with the result. Let's open a few more positions, starting with a long trade. Let's continue our analysis. So GBP/USD currency pair, signal to open a long positions has appeared, and let's quickly set our stop loss and take profit. As you can see, I'm placing the stop loss at the previous structural low, appropriate to me. I'll be opening this trade with a 1 to 2 ratio as well, and let's see how the signal performs. And as you can see, the central point and signal worked out well. I've earned $200, and I'm very pleased with the result. To wrap up today's analyzing and pick the next currency pair, a signal to open a short position has appeared. I'm setting my stop loss right away, probably around this level. I'll likely go with a 1 to 2 ratio, and I might play it safe by placing the stop loss here, and let's see how this entry point performs. And as you can see, the last trade of the session closed on profit as well. Another $200 to my account, and the signal was perfect, and I earned a total of $800 today. I'm really happy with this result. This is a simple but effective trading strategy, and I hope I've demonstrated clearly. If you have any questions, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description. Feel free to ask any questions, and I'll do my best to help everyone. So have a great day, and see you guys.